Hello and welcome to another being a writer unit. All right, so we are going to continue. This will be our last one with this prompt, but we are continuing our I want a new room lesson writing prompt where we said, I know you don't think I should, and you picked something that you wanted to convince your family to let you have or do. And last week we wrote Mine Are in Purple, 2 reasons why to support our idea. So from looking at mine, dear mom, I know you don't think I should get a puppy. My want was a puppy. I know you don't think I should get a puppy, but here's why I should. I gave 2 reasons. My first reason was I will feed him every day, and my second reason was I will train him myself. Now, when we're writing an opinion piece, it is good. We have to have 2 reasons. We have to have reasons why. But also with opinion, you have to elaborate each reason. It's not enough to just give them one example of how you're going to do it. You have to give detail. So, what I mean by that is if my first reason was to my mom, I will feed him every day, I need to go into detail. I need to explain what my plan is for that. So, how I could go into detail that would support I will feed him every day, I want to say exactly what my plan is. So if my argument is, yeah, I'll feed him every day, I will say, I will feed him in the morning and at night. So now my mom knows that when I say I'll feed him every day, she knows that that means I'm going to feed him in the morning and at night. Sorry, my end looked a little weird. So now my second argument was I will train him myself. But that's not really enough. So I need to go into detail what that means. So to support this argument, I could explain that I will pay for him to go to doggy training school. So now my mom knows that when I say I'm going to train him myself, she knows that that means I'm going to pay for him to take him to doggy training school, or doggy obedience school, I think is what they call it. And then the last thing that I wanted to bring your attention to is when you're doing an opinion piece, so you have 2 main reasonings and supporting sentences that support your reasonings, it's always good to wrap it up. You got to wrap it up your writing. So my last sentence would be, that is why I should, and you need to restate your original want. So that is why I should get a puppy. Because when we're writing an opinion piece, you have to state what you want, and then at the end, you have to restate it again. It's just a nice way to wrap it all up. So for this week, what I want you to do with your writing is look at your two main sentences from last week, your 2 main reasonings. Now, I want you to write 2 sentences that explain your argument, your 2 reasonings, your 2 main arguments in more detail. So I said, I will feed him every day. I went into detail the next sentence, what that looks like. I said, I'm going to train him myself. I explained in my next sentence what that will look like. It still pertains to my 2 topics, but I went into detail with each sentence. All right, so I will put this on Schoology, or you could write it down yourself, or you can email it to me, and let me know if you have any questions.